everybody, All Pro Exterior Services here again with another house wash, vinyl. You see we got some little build up, a little dirt. Let me show you around here for a minute. Beautiful morning out here. Here's the back, no problem with the AR. Got all our property protection done. We're rolling. We're going to use the AR45. We're going to put the bleach metering valve on about 3, water full open, soaps on about 6 or 7. Already got the tank filling, and we're about to roll in and out. So let's see what the time it is. Excuse me here for a minute. It's 10 o'clock. We had to do some work earlier. And here's the front of that property. Let me see the front. And by the way, if you don't know, this is a neighbors that we've done a couple months ago who led into this, who's leading into that, and that. So, again, you know, you come out with a responsible price, take care of your customer, do good work. It spreads. You can see we got some heavy growth here. This ain't going to be nothing to hit with the AR. So we're going to start on the other side. Work our way this way, hit the back, work our way this way, so when we're done, this thing's all lined up. We want this hose to be lined up just like this, so when we leave, we can just zip it up. It's all about efficiency, maximizing your hose management, your water intake and output. What I mean is, when you're getting finished the house, you're close to finish, you got a full tank, shut the water down. Use what's in your tank, try not to waste as much as you don't have to. So again, here's the setup. We already had good soap, water, perfect. So we got everything pulled. We're gonna go ahead and get started here. Tony's on property, finished property protection. So, all right, guys, catch up with you in a minute. Peace. All right, guys, did the back over here. I couldn't get no footage. I had the neighbor, not the neighbor, the homeowner out. So anyway, we're gonna catch you on this side. Soap on. Got a little bit of water in the line, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my vegetation. Even though this is a light mix, all good. Precaution, safety first. Okay, so we're gonna hit this, wait for some soap. It's all like clay. Whole nother project. Yeah, was able to hit them peaks. No problem, straight from the deck. Hit those peaks, knock it out. So, oh yeah, we got some Kim. Spray it down. All you need is a good little layer, depending on. Make sure you hit those eaves really good too. Sometimes I find myself overspraying the eaves a little bit, missing a spot or two. Alright, this is the funky side. So we're going to knock it out. Look at that. Remember your before and after photos. And take your 4 or 5 per house. I mean, you don't Google my business, the more photos you can put on there, and the better off you're going to be. So, I always try to take at least 4 or 5, 4 per house, at least 4. And it seems to be working pretty good for me. Anybody thinking about AR, man, look, it's already paid for itself plus about 10 times. So, don't be mad at it. I mean, you know, work what you can. I am thinking about later on, not right away, but I'm thinking about possibly going to an air system and replacing that 12 volt. His 12 volt having problems with it, and I think I've seen some videos where some other people having some problems with the newer ones. I don't know what it is. Maybe the manufacturing policies or processes has changed since the pandemic. I don't know. All around here is good. All right, let me go ahead and finish this. Let this marinate for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this section here, just work my way around, and when I end, I'm gonna be lined up with my hose, ready to pull up and roll. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see this or not, but they got a section right here we gotta hit. There you go.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Alright guys, last side of the house. Just pre-wetting some of this stuff that could be affected by the SH. Taking precaution. The sun shining and beaming out here, as you can tell. And it is hot, so cooling down a little bit, the wind especially. Just getting it done. Been out here about 45 minutes, about to roll out. Got some stubborn spots up top. Tony's got the brush on it. So coming out nice. Alright, I'm gonna hit soap on. Hit this side. Soap on. Try not to hit the fence or anything, but you know, pre-wet ACs, you know, people freak out about that.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Just hit him again. He's already here. The JC unit. Some peaks again. There you go, a little bit over here. Peeking it out, baby. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and get rinsed up. Wrap this job up. Call it a wrap. The AC is good. Vegetation. Wash off your fences. I may let that marinate a little bit longer. I'm just gonna hit the window real quick, a little bit. Again, overspray. It's nice that AR, man. I tell you, that thing's a beast. Volume. Everybody, got the house done. Looking good. Well, you see, look, that's a light right there, hanging down. Make a mental note of that. And when you spray away, you know what I mean, like that way. So, yeah, got all this done. It looks good. About to go talk to the customer, wrap it up, reel up, head to the next. Maybe go get some message. I don't know. We'll see. All right, guys. Catch up. Peace. Hi, everybody. We're here at the next job here. I don't know if you remember this house. This is one of my annuals. We're going to go ahead and slap out the concrete. This was an upsell, so we're going to do the house. There's a little back deck that you put in about a year, right after we got done last year. So we're going to go ahead and spray that down too. We'll get some footage, of course. We're going to break out the beast. Like I said before the other day, I'm going to go ahead and start doing my concrete first so we don't get blowback, so we can rinse it all off and everything. It's all good. So we're going to go ahead. Tony's on property protection. We're going to go ahead and pull out the beast here and get it blown off and then roll out. So we'll catch up. So we're going to go ahead and set our mix up. Open the soap a little more. I'm not getting much soap. So we're right at 3. Yeah, that's good. All right, we're good. All right, let me get the blowing and we'll catch up. Peace. On the back here, we'll go ahead and wet this down a little bit. Even though we're dealing with a low concentration, just taking that extra precaution. That's what we do. We're gonna wash this deck off a little bit, let it marinate with a house mix. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and turn our soap on. Soap on. Let it wait. Let it marinate. Hit the back side real quick. Oh yeah, look at that. The soap draw still, man. I tell you, I'm not happy with it. I don't know. I'm gonna probably switch that valve to a 1/2 inch. I mean, not the valve. The the solenoid. Switch that to a 1/2 inch because not really impressed with a 1/4 inch. At least in my situation, we tried to do everything we can to get more soap, but you have to let this marinate for a good minute. I mean, look at it, ain't hardly any soap, and it's just about wide open. Make sure you get those back sides right here. A lot of people forget about that. So you get that. What All Pro does. spray this down. Gotta try to prime the soap again, maybe. That's another reason why I like soap in my SH, because it helps eliminate, you know, the guesswork. Yeah, look at that. Nasty. And I apologize for the wind, guys, if y'all getting some residual chem on the lens here. And if you're running two machines, I think the biggest thing here to do is just be cognizant you're running two machines. You know what I'm saying? Like, because if not, you could run out of water. We don't want that. Move that out the way. Yeah, it'll take some time for this to work. Like, we'll get it done. All right, hit this little side. Again, got the wind whipping. Yeah, look at that. See all that bleach going over there? See if it's coming off.